Welcome to this short tutorial video covering the Joblogic Dynamic Dashboard feature. The dashboard you can see on screen has been created using the Dynamic Dashboard Designer. Let's go through the steps to create and publish a dynamic dashboard in your Joblogic application. The Dashboard Designer is accessed by clicking on Reports in the left-hand panel. Click the Create Dynamic Dashboard action button. This will display the Add Dynamic Dashboard screen. Enter a name for your dashboard. This name will appear if you publish the dashboard to the Dashboard option within the left-hand panel. You will see how to publish a dashboard later in this video. Click the Add Source action button to access the available data sources for your dashboard. Please note you may need to contact support at joblogic.com to request data sources. Enter a name for your data source, for example, DS1. Click on the drop-down arrow within the Report field to select the required data source. Once the selection has been made, click the Add button. Repeat the previous steps to add additional data sources if required. In this example, only one data source is required for our dashboard, so we can go ahead and click the Save Action button. We are now in the Dashboard Designer screen. Within this screen we can select items from the left-hand panel and simply drag and drop them onto our dashboard. Alternatively, we can access the items by clicking on the Insert tab. In this example, we are adding a table into our dashboard. Dragging and dropping the table into the designer will result in a pop-up window being displayed. We now need to drag and drop the required fields from the data source added earlier. This can be found within the Dictionary tab. Expand the data sources item in the left-hand panel, and repeat for the Joblogic report item. The data source name will appear and allow you to expand this to see the available fields within the data source. Simply drag and drop the required fields into the table pop-up window. To resize the item on the dashboard, select the grab handle for the item and drag and drop into place. Changing the look and feel of items on your dashboard is simply achieved by selecting an existing style via the Home tab as being shown now. You can use the Style Designer if you prefer to customize the look and feel of your dashboards further. Now we will add a chart item to our dashboard and go through the steps to present the data in a bar chart format as an example. Simply drag and drop the chart item onto your dashboard. The chart pop-up window will be displayed, allowing you to drag and drop fields from your data source in the dictionary. In this example, we want to display the number of jobs in specific statuses. To do this, we need to drag the ID field from our data source into the chart pop-up window. You will see that this automatically gets placed within the Values section of this window. We now need to drag the job status field from the data source and drop this into the Arguments section. This results in our chart's x-axis displaying the job statuses. To change the title of a chart, click the Properties tab and expand the Title section. Type in the required text, for example, Jobs by Status. Click the disk icon to save your dashboard. Click the Save button to confirm. You can now preview the dashboard by clicking the Preview tab. The chart allows us to manipulate the data displayed in the table and would also affect other items within the dashboard if added. For example, if we click the allocated job status on the chart, the table displays all the jobs within the allocated status. Click Detail within the thread bar at the top left of the screen to access the Action button, allowing you to add this dashboard to the dashboard menu. Once you have clicked the Add to Dashboard menu action button, your dashboard will be available to all back-office users under the Dashboard menu within the left-hand panel. To remove a dashboard from the menu, simply go back to the Dynamic Dashboard Edit screen and click the Remove from Dashboard menu action button. We trust you will enjoy using the Joblogic Dynamic Dashboard feature and will find this beneficial for your business operations. If you would like to leave any feedback regarding this functionality, please use the link within the Dashboard Designer screen as being shown now. Thanks for watching.